Alrighty, let's do part 14. I don't like anything about the way this one looks. Ugh. How do I even want to draw this? Maybe from the top? Extrude and extrude. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of things I could do with this. I think I'm just going to start it conventionally from the front. Yeah. I'm going to make a sketch on the front. And I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm not even going to do anything fancy with the rectangle. I'm just going to start off making an 8x5 rectangle right in the front. So 8x5, and I'm going to put the holes in it. There are going to be 4 holes in it. So 1, 2. I mean, I could do things like mirror it, but I'm just going to draw the 4 holes. And all 4 of the holes, I'm going to say they're 1. They all have a diameter of 1, looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in theory, I should only have to do 3 dimensions to place them. So from here to here, maybe a little more than that. From here to here, it looks like it's 1.5. It looks like they're all 1.5 from each edge. It's like 1.5, 1.5. From here to here is 1.5. I mean, you can do this to all 4 of them. I'm going to get a little fancy. And then I just need to place this one from this edge. So you can do all of them like 1.5 from each edge respectively, but I want to make like these on the same horizontal. So like this one and this one, those should be on the same horizontal. And like this one and this one should be on the same horizontal as well. And then I want these ones to be on the same vertical. And I want these ones to be on the same vertical. And I don't have to do as many dimensions then, because the ones I placed are stuck where they are, and the ones I use these constraints for have to snap in line with them. So I've got that set up. I think that's good. I'm going to finish sketch, and I am going to extrude this. So I'm going to extrude that one. I'm going to make a sketch on the front. I'm just going to draw a rectangle right here. That rectangle is obviously 5. So I don't need that one. It's 5 by 1. And it is like directly centered. So it's going to be 3.5 from either edge. So I'm just going to come over here and do 3.5. And that centers it. And I'm like giving you a second to take those dimensions in. If it helps to turn front, here you go. And I'm just going to hit finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude this out. And it looks like this comes out 2. So I'm going to extrude this out 2. So here we go, 2. Finish sketch. And then I'm going to make a sketch on this front part here. And I am going to turn to the front view for this because I believe that will be beneficial. I want to make sure it is touching that top edge there, as you saw me do. The overall dimensions for this shape are going to be 5 by 4. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 by 4. From this far edge here, it is centered, so that would mean it's going to be like 1.5. I believe, no, 2.5. 2.5. No, 2? Okay, 2. That centers it. And that looks good. And then I just have to make 2 boxes on the sides here. And those boxes are 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. And they're going to be 1 inch from the top edge here. And I'm going to draw another box on the other side that is also 1 by 3, right? So I got the 3 there and the 1 there. And I'm just going to line this box up with my vertical constraint like I did before. Please? Question mark. Oh, did I snap it to something? I may have snapped it to something. Let's see if it's going to yell at me right here. 1. Yes. Oh, right there. I snapped it parallel with the center point. So I have to escape dimension. I have to delete this sketch entity and probably this sketch entity. And then now it will allow me to do this dimension. Okay, so that's good. Everything's in. And it got stuck there because I put it on the same parallel as that center point, which is a fixed point. All right, so here we go. I'm going to hit finish sketch. Go to extrude. I'm going to select these 3 areas. And I'm going to extrude it. Not exactly the cleanest of my drawings that I've done, but it is correct. So that was number 14. So good luck with number 14.